everybody. Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Take a walk around, check it out.
Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you a nice little Bluebird bus. This is a 2014 Bluebird All-American. Check it out, it's one of those short ones. Inside we have seating for 32 passengers on some individual seats, and we have some overhead parcel storage. This is a great little people mover. We'll take a walk around, check it out. It's got a Cummins 6.7 back there with only 62,000 miles on it. Front engine. Did I say rear? I don't know. I try. Tires on this bus looking good. All your fuses, your diagram. Looks good. I like this bus a lot. It's cool. Tires, hand cooks, steers looking good, drives. A little life there on the drives. Not real excited about them, but yeah. Come around the back of the bus. We got a rear emergency. This bus is loaded with safety features. You got front and rear steel bumpers and this emergency exit. We do have a roof hatch also with your egress windows. Seats are in great shape. Friedman's. Exterior LED lighting on your ambers, your brake lights. Back up. Little action here on this back corner. Of course, you've got your rear fuel fill and your DEF to the front because the engine's up there. I guess we got these locked. I was just going to take a peek in there. Only 61,000 miles. Let's go inside and check it out. The driver's area is in great shape. Dash is in excellent shape. Yeah, you get these, there you go. You need the info on the manufacturer's tags. Overhead parcel storage, individual seats. Seats are in great shape. What do you think of those seats, Alex?
They're good. Maybe, I would say these are seat rated 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
We got like a couple little, we got a little tear over here.
Oh yeah, there is, yeah. We got lap belts, 76 inches on the ceiling, 70, what was that, 74? I'm 6'2". Oh, you know what? Check this out. Let's show them the engine. The meat and potatoes. There we go. Look how clean that is. That's a nice engine compartment. There's your tag. I got a picture of that if you need that info. If you're in California, you're going to want to see that it is California compliant. There's your heater shut off and everything. All right. There it is. Bluebird. It's a short one. 32 passengers on individual seats with only 61,000 miles on that engine. Price and availability can be found at LasVegasBusSales.com or give us a call at 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.